What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in today. It will not be a Mustang related video. It'll be a truck related video. It's been about 3 to 4 years since we made a truck review video on our personal 2015 F150, and we've put a total of 32 to 33,000 miles on it in our ownership. And if you recall from the previous video that we did with the walk around and review, the truck had a rough country 6-inch suspension lift. While rough country is a great budget-friendly lift, rough definitely dictates its ride quality. There's a lot to be said and to do better in the suspension world in terms of the at least the shocks and struts are concerned. So now that we've had 32,000 miles on this, our alignment was messed up to where our Netto ridge grapplers wore unevenly. They were chewing up the insides. So while we were doing new tires, we're going to upgrade to the TOYO AT3s, 35 still. So while we were doing that, we decided to go ahead and upgrade the suspension to the Fox 2.5 front coilovers with remote reservoirs, and the Fox rear shocks 2.0s, because they do not make a 2.5 yet for 6-inch lift. So enough talking. I'm going to show you the video clips. This will not be an installation how-to video. There's already a video on YouTube by Shock Surplus that details the whole entire installation, but we will show you the steps through the installation process that we did with our F150, and then we'll wrap it up with a walk around and review of what we think so far. Fox 2.5s with remote reservoir, and the TOYO AT3s all the way around. Don't mind the dirty truck. And we did the Fox 2.0s in the rear, because they don't make a 2.5 yet for a 6-inch lift. But those TOYO AT3s look great. And alignment, we did the alignment with myself and my son in the truck to get it as close as possible. But we'll get it out, get it driving, get it washed up, and give you guys a review of what we think. All right, guys, here we go. Good walk around. We got the installation all complete. I've put about 400 miles so far since doing the front coilovers, rear shocks, and the tires. I left the settings for the front shocks at the factory settings. I do plan on softening them up a little bit just to see how much better it rides. But already it is literally night and day comparison to the rough country front struts and rear shocks. It rides like a dream. I mean, there's a reason why Ford uses these on the Raptors, and it's very evident when it comes to ride quality. The front coilovers, they are adjustable from 4-inch to 6-inch, and right out of the box they came set at the 6-inch settings. If you can see, the truck is sitting level now. It's 45 inches from ground to the center of the fenders, both front and rear. Anyone that has the rough country lift knows that there is a pretty significant rake with the front being lower than the rears. But now with the Fox, the truck definitely sits level with nothing in it. So, but yeah, we'll give you a walk around. Don't mind my dirty truck. I haven't had a chance to wash it, but yeah, the Fox coilovers with remote reservoirs, and again, still running the setting that comes out of the box. So it is a little, let's say, stiffer than it could be. It's definitely softer than what the rough country was, but it's a straightforward, easy install. Alignment was way off, of course, before, and way off after completing it. We did find that the vehicle being loaded greatly affects the alignment. So we initially did the alignment with no body, and then I got in it with my son, and it changed it pretty significantly. So maybe another thing for other people to take into account when they get their truck lifted is, if it's something that totes your family around and good amount of weight from time to time, you may want to have weight in the truck when it comes to doing your alignment. But yep, if you're gonna do a rough country lift and you're looking to upgrade, Fox is definitely the way to go. It is definitely pricey, but the ride quality and the adjustment is it's night and day. So let us know if we can help you with your truck, and we'll get you hooked up, whether that be with Toyos or Fox suspension. Thanks for watching.